Take a look at this.
You have anything else on you that you shouldn't have on you today? Could you empty your pockets out for me?
Empty my pockets.
Huh?
Empty my pockets for what?
Because I'm checking for the
I thought
safety.
you were searching my bag.
I'm checking everything.
There was nothing.
Then empty your pockets. Son of a bitch.
On March 10th, 2023, a teacher at Vero Beach High School received a note detailing an incident involving an 18-year-old sophomore student who was bragging about having a loaded gun in the classroom. The teacher immediately notified the on-campus deputy, who called for backup. Upon further investigation, it was discovered that the student also claimed to have larger weapons in her backpack. The principal and a deputy approached the classroom to apprehend the student.
Where's the backpack supposedly? In here?
7219. I'll go that door, you go that door.
During the investigation, it was noted that the student also bragged about having bigger guns in her backpack. The principal, along with a deputy, surrounded the classroom to retrieve the student.
We'll burn her out and we'll go down the hall.
Yeah. Well, we're close. Yeah, we're closer to admin than we are anything else.
Good morning.
Okay, I just want to... We're going to ask you a few questions, and I didn't want to do it. I got a little tip.
Hawaii, Washington, 770, Florida, November, Mike, Romeo, Charlie, 01, NMR, 301,
Okay, that's what he said. So that's not, you're good. And yesterday, remember when I was in there checking bags in your math class? Well, today, it was reported that you had hid your backpack. This is what I'm being told, because you had a gun in your backpack. Okay, that's what, yeah, I'm just saying that's what people were saying.
Yeah, you can
So,
search my bag.
yeah, and that's all, I don't want to do it in the classroom, so
Yeah.
obviously, you know, we got to do what we got to do, okay?
Yeah, you can search it.
Come on, in here, please. Have a seat. Now, let me ask you before you go any further on that. Do you recall, did you ever make a statement like that yesterday? That maybe somebody, you were messing around and somebody said they saw it or heard it?
They ain't never seen you or heard nothing from me.
Okay, can I see your backpack? You have anything else on you that you shouldn't have on you today? Could you empty your pockets out for me?
Empty my pockets.
Huh?
Empty my pockets for what?
Because I'm checking for the
I thought
safety.
you were searching my bag.
I'm checking everything.
There was nothing.
Then empty your pockets. Huh?
I don't feel like you.
Empty your pockets or you're going to be putting
Okay, listen.
backups.
I smell weed, but that I went
That's
through.
not.
I'm just
Okay.
explaining to you that I'm doing a safety check. No one's accused you of anything.
But why search me though?
Because your name
Because
came
we
up.
have a serious allegation
So
that's
we
been
are
reported.
going to search you.
Okay, but can you call my mom? Because I don't feel this is necessary. It was other kids in the classroom.
I know. I was
Okay,
No,
here,
I don't
stand
know.
up. Stand
But
up.
what? Wait, why?
Because I'm telling you to. Stand up. Stand up. Okay, you're not under arrest. You understand that?
Okay.
I'm missing.
No, sir. I don't feel this is necessary to search me though.
For some reason.
I gotta.
Hold her for 1 second. I just want to get those on.
I can't hear you, hon. You got a what?
I gotta use the bathroom.
Okay, well,
Okay.
probably some shakedown on the bottom of this, but.
That's pencils, bro.
Okay,
That's pencils.
okay. Don't be upset with me.
I just
I'm not
feel
upset
like-
with you.
But why are y'all searching me?
I told you why.
Oh my
Go ahead, Lena.
Resource 232. I've got.
You got nothing on it.
Jerry, 25.
Okay, I'm gonna step out for a second.
Stop.
I'm gonna step out.
Okay.
But come on. Come
Mike,
on,
0.
guys. Come on. Oh my god, bro.
You come on, what's that? Son of a bitch.
That's my wallet. Bro. Come on.
Research 222, research 80.
Just go ahead and tell them signal 0. We're by Yankee.
Ain't nothing on me, bro.
That was the search moment.
Oh my god, is this necessary?
Yes,
bro?
ma'am.
Yes.
I don't have nothing else on me, bro. I swear I don't. Bro,
Then just cooperate.
bro, I am cooperating, but oh my god, bro, is you serious?
Jerry Smith.
Sit down.
How did he come back? I'm gonna step out back with Mr. O'Keefe just for a second.
I didn't harm nobody.
You're in possession of a firearm on
I
school grounds.
understand that, but no one
And a
was
tip was
harmed.
received. It doesn't matter if anybody's harmed. You're not allowed to possess a firearm, period, let alone on school grounds.
I understand that. No one's harmed.
Okay, I'm gonna read you your Miranda.
Okay.
Okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say
Going
can
to jail?
Huh?
Am I going to jail?
Okay,
Right now,
just
you listen to your rights.
Okay.
I want you to tell me whether you understand them or not.
Okay.
You have the right to remain silent.
Okay.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have your lawyer present with you while you are being questioned.
Okay.
If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before questioning. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you still have the right to stop answering at any time and speak with a lawyer. You may use any of these rights at any time during the interview. Do you understand the rights that I have just read to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you want to answer questions?
Yes.
Okay, what are you doing with a handgun on school grounds?
Ma'am, I honestly was not trying to harm anybody with it. I was just carrying it around. That's it.
Why were you carrying it around on school grounds?
Because I understand that it's people on school ground that likes to bully people, and I felt like I was being bullied by certain people on school ground.
Okay.
Chambered and
What-
night.
Where did you get the gun?
I got it from off the streets.
13 traffic.
Did you steal it from?
No, ma'am.
Did you acquire it from somebody else?
No, ma'am.
Mike,
So how did you get
you
it?
had prior knowledge of
Highway.
Sean answered.
Florida. India Kilo 40 Bravo Tango.
So let's pause right here. How ignorant can one be, right? I was very ignorant. But this is a greater concern that I really want to reach here. Um, Not to necessarily play the race card, but we send our finest and our brightest out to these institutions of higher education, these universities, to obtain law degrees, and we're so proud of them. We congratulate them, we throw them parties, right? But you're supposed to come back to the community and enlighten others with the information that you have ascertained and obtained. Where is the black attorneys that have gone off to be so successful? Now, I understand the law, and knowing the law is their business and how they make money. But where are the professionals that we have sent off to these institutions? Where are they? Why aren't they more vocal about what the laws and rights are? Go back to your communities and enlighten these young ones. Make them aware of what laws are and what options they have for themselves. Prevention is always the best key. If we send our brightest and our best off just to simply make money and move out of the communities and never give back, we will never have a black community worth anything. It is a shame that this young lady can be that ignorant to the fact that she feels as if she can say anything at this point in time. It is a shame that she is that ignorant that she feels as if she can carry a firearm on school grounds for any reason. I blame the lawyers and attorneys that look like her. The ones that have come from the dirt, the ones that have tied their own bootstraps, whatever the stereotypical sayings are, and made something of themselves. but have not given back. It is your duty and it is your responsibility. This is a crying shame here. We have to be more integral in the upbringing of our youth. We cannot just send our brightest and our best off to these predominantly white institutions to simply obtain high-paying jobs, to buy fancy cars, buy overpriced clothing, and buy homes in neighborhoods where you're not the majority. I blame the attorneys. I blame the doctors, our finest and our brightest that have gone off to receive doctorates in doctorates in the medical fields that do not scream from the mountaintops that these potato chips, these sodas, these candies are killing you. I feel as if it's your responsibility. If you have gone off to university, you have ascertained these information, these degrees, and you know the detriments of these restaurants in the community, and you don't continuously make it known. We all know it's not good for us, but do we know that it's killing us? Do we know how detrimental it is? Not like a doctor does. Do we know the law? Do we know right and wrong? Not like a lawyer does. It is your duty and your responsibility, young people, when you go off to these universities to give back. Do you agree?